so my red bird's looking for somewhere to go. He ran off. So we got to see him for a brief second. Hear the thunder. That's the closest I've been able to get that bird though. That was too cool. What can I do? Or put a top. Tater chip. Fat tater chip. Tater chip. Morning, beautiful people. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am about to get started on putting down the mesh for this new garden bed. I'm also going to put the second one together and get mesh down for it, fill them both with dirt, and start cleaning out the weeds from my old garden bed. So stick around if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so one more time, we are using this mesh, and it is called Weed Lock. It's breathable and it's soft, so it's the right mesh for a raised garden bed. Keep your stuff from mildewing, you know, because it's letting air get in and circulate, and not letting your water just stand there on your plants and give you like root rot or whatever. So anyway, that's what we're using today, and we are about to probably do a double layer on this large galvanized steel bed. So let's get started.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes.
Let's get the last double layer on. Layer 2 on the right hand side. And then we'll be done. Ready for some dirt.
Pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
We're at least doubled up on the mesh, so we're going to add some dirt to the center seam since it's overlapping. You work our way out.
Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit your fist, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they tryna get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm tryna right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't tryna stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no.
Hello, beautiful people. So I am on round 2. We've got the dirt in the first new bed, and now I am fixing to go and try to put together this smaller bed. I'm not sure if I want to put it in the octagon shape or in like a rectangle shape. So let's just go play around and see what's going to make the most sense. So I'm going to see which one's going to work. Let's go have some fun. Y'all, like, it takes a lot of work to just set up to record stuff outside like this. Even indoors, it can be a booger. I'm a little tired. I'm trying to do this in the daytime, even though it's hot, because I'll have the best quality video, so you know how that goes. So we'll figure out where I'm going to put this stand here and put my camera on it so I can get different angles for you guys, and kind of so the video won't be so boring and at one angle and stuff. I try to switch it up, and to remember to do that in between working, it's kind of difficult. So there's a lot of moving parts to recording and being your own producer and all of that. You production, you doing it all. You talking, you building, you the engineer, and yeah, that's how it goes. So, and now I'm gonna figure out in that corner over there how I'm going to put together this last raised garden bed. So, yeah, let's get to it. think about the octagon? I kind of like it. I guess I'll have to move it over this way and a little bit over to the right just to make sure we've got enough space for the lawnmower. Yeah, I think I like it in the octagon shape. If you buy 2 sets, you can do that rectangle with the raised section there, or you can do like an octagon with a flower bed in the middle. Like, that would be cool to make a flower bed. I would use 2 of them and do that for a flower bed. It'd give it some height. That's really cute. This is basically what I did. 1 set, 8 pieces octagon. So we've got the mat in place on the octagon, and we're about to put the stakes in so we can add the dirt. So now I'm about to add dirt to the seam there, down the middle, try to hold that in place so it doesn't move too much, and then I'll work my way out to the side. And just one more time, Better Homes and Gardens raised bed mix, natural and organic, ready to use, no mixing, grow bigger plants. Yeah, so that's what I'm using. I have put 3 bags, 3 bags so far in the small one, and I'm going to add that one. That's going to make 4, and then we put 10 bags in this larger garden here, and we're going to add 4 more, so this one will have a total of 14 before it's over. I'm going to add 2 more there, 2 more there, and try to get this a little bit higher up to halfway, because it's supposed to rain some more, I think, so my dirt's going to settle down some as it gets wet. But yeah, I'm going to add 2 here and 2 there and 1 more here, and that's going to be a wrap for today. I'm going to have to work on this bugbear another time. I'm too tired. I can't do it. So this mess is just going to have to wait. But I will eventually get to the old wooden bed. But today, y'all like that? Yeah, you did. Sometimes you just need to hug a tree. You can't get in no dirt nowhere. Put your feet in some dirt. Go hug a tree. It works just the same. Can't get no dirty. It ain't gonna hurt you. Put them feet in some dirt. Go ahead.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your by the noise. I can feel you.
Yeah, she's sweating. She's sweating. She's sweating. It's hot out here. It's hot. So this is a wrap. Thank you guys for sticking to the end if you did. And we got the dirt down, so we're ready to plant some plants. And we're gonna clean out that little booger bear down there on the end. But we've got our beds ready. Yay! So excited. Let's go buy some plants. Let's go buy some plants. Let's go buy some plants. Gotta get this middle finished. It's about to storm. Let's move it. Chop, chop. Y'all, I'm out here in a dress. In a dress. Because it's about to storm. And we're trying to get this done before it storms. Says, Mister, we have 30 minutes. No, we don't. We out here touching metal, about to get electrocuted. Oh, these little birds look like pigeons. Where'd they go just that quick? I was talking about them and they scared too. Storm's coming. Ooh, I just saw lightning. I'm gone. She gone. I'll see y'all on the next one. Come out, shouldn't be near no metal.